Hello friends, Drew here in West Grove in the basement we are working on finishing. Wanted to give you a quick update of where we are on this project. We just finished the first tape coat that goes on with the spackle, the joint compound, as we are getting this ready. So not totally perfect first time around, obviously, and I think we still got a couple nails left to spot, and of course the corner bead to coat. But the goal number one was to use the automatic taper and get as many of the seams cranked out as we can. It's not so good on the short stuff, but it lets us do the big long runs a little bit quicker than doing them by hand. So just to give you a kind of a view of what it looks like first coat, just so you can sort of see where we're at and what's gotten done here so far. So like I said, you can still see a lot of the corner bead. It's still silver. That still has to get coated, and our guys will be in here tomorrow working on that. But just to give you kind of a sense of where we are and what's gotten done, we're making progress. It's looking good. Ceiling's looking pretty. And then we've got the workout room over here is coming along nicely as well. If you haven't seen an automatic taper before, it's not totally automatic, but what it does is it dispenses the mud and the drywall tape at the same time and applies it to the ceiling. It takes a little bit of practice to get proficient with it, and I still probably have some learning to do to get better. But that's just one of the tools that we use. We also have a whole collection of flat boxes. These are used for running the seams on the wall. And so I got a 7, 10, and a 14 to help feather those out. And then we've got our DeWalt mud shot here for cranking the corners, and that allows us to fill this cylinder up with mud. And then as we're running along and taping the corners, we can just go continuous all around the room. So that'll help speed things up as well. So we can kind of keep cranking and getting things done. So I wanted just to give you the view of where we are and what's gotten finished, and just kind of give you the sense of the progress we're making here. So this is first coat. We've got about 3 or 4 days worth of finishing by the time you let it dry, and then sand it and make it pretty, and then applying our coat and all those kind of things. So we got 3 or 4 days of finishing work, and then we can come back in and hang our doors and start the window trim package. And customers are going to do their own prime, their own paint, and their own door trim and baseboard trim on this job to save a couple of bucks. And so this is working out real nice. We're pretty happy with how this is coming together. First coat on, guys will be in here at 8 o'clock tomorrow morning, and we'll just kind of knock off the high stuff and start working on coat number 2. So if we can solve a problem for you, whether that's finishing a basement, remodeling your kitchen, renovating a master bathroom or your hall bath, roofing, siding, doors, windows, decks, just about any repair that happens to come up in your home, the mystery that nobody else can solve, take a picture, send it to us on our Facebook page, hit that contact us button, send us a couple of pictures along with your contact details, and we'll be happy to get to work on that for you. You can reach our office staff weekdays, 9:30 in the morning until 2 in the afternoon, at 748-0008. Choose option 2 for Cope Construction and Renovation, and the extension 2 for new projects. Cope Construction and Renovation is your Pennsylvania home improvement contractor number 88078. Remember, when we're done with it, you're going to be proud to say it's not just done. It was CopeBUILT. We'll catch you guys in another video. Bye for now.